Now, do remember there are alternatives to YouTube. YouTube is great, it's free, it's widely used. So if you want to get something seen, if you want to get a video seen, then YouTube's a very good solution. An alternative would be something like Vimeo. Vimeo provides sort of high quality hosting. You can use it just like YouTube. The other nice thing about Vimeo is you can host private videos on there as well. Vimeo is basically free, but there are, I think there's two different payment plans if you want, and these just give you extra facilities. Now, one thing you mustn't do is upload the same video to lots of different places, because that could be considered duplicate content or content spam. There are some other alternatives, things like Dailymotion and MetaCafe. You might want to check those out. If you go to the Vimeo site, this is what it looks like. So just like YouTube, you can click up here and search for things. If you want to, if we click on where it says find a plan, as you see, they have their basic service just like YouTube, which is free, and then they've got various other levels here of service.